Welcome to the Imran.Family kitchen. In today's video, we have a special edition for you. This is an Eid Special, a day that is more special than the diamond that is within my own hands right now. Take a good look at it. Anyways, so today we are going to show you how to make chicken biryani. And not just chicken biryani, but tandoori chicken biryani. So when I say special, this is with exclamation marks and with capital letters. Now what's so special about this tandoori chicken biryani is that the tandoori chicken has this smoky sort of a flavor. It's got this barbecue element within it. So it just really enhances the experience of having a biryani. I've had many types of biryani, but this biryani that I had was so marvelous because of the smokiness that is within it. So let's move on to the recipe now. Okay, you saw how to make this extra special edition tandoori chicken biryani. I am anticipating that once you guys go out and make this dish, I'm anticipating your reaction to how it turned out, how you enjoyed it, how your family enjoyed it. I want you to write that down into the comment section. So with that said, I would like to wish you on behalf of myself and my family from the Don Imran.Family Kitchen channel and Eid Mubarak. And I hope you really enjoy this day, and I hope that you eat well and you make the best recipes possible. You know, we have playlists of videos that you can check out, but definitely give this recipe a try because this is a special edition from our channel today for you guys. So you can view our chicken kapsa recipe over here, our mutton pilau recipe over here, and our famous ran biryani. This was a recipe that we made last year in Eid, and it was marvelous. It's a different type of biryani that you can try out. Ran biryani is something not so common, but definitely worth giving a view, and that can be found over here. And with that said, catch you in the next one.